Oh my god.
I got that on video. Hey Steve, how do you like that? Hey Steve, smile.
I don't like that.
Greg, give me that weed. Give me the weed. Give me the weed.
Hey, that's evidence.
This is Evan.
Kinda hot.
Yes, you are.
Damn! I'm very drunk though, so she'll probably be a little perfect.
No, she's not. I don't have my glasses on and she's welcome. She like a hat? You gonna wear it?
Oh, I got a new text message!
Anton, I'm taking a video.
It smells magical. Right by the
It
door.
smells magical because I'm minty fresh.
Well, don't have any. Seriously, I can't be on camera.
Why?
Oh,
you look
come
amazing.
on.
man.
Right now I'm in my fucking...
I wish I had your photogenicness.
You can't do. That's too much body heat.
You're growing there, eh?
What's that?
You're growing a little bit to that.
Yeah.
I'm losing mine.
Yeah, why? A little bit.
Okay, I'm
I don't eat
aiming
bar
for
food
both
anymore.
of you.
Or don't drink so much beer. I drink
I don't put salt on his fries no more. That's the key.
That's right. His range. Well, I had surgery. They said I had high blood pressure, so I got it.
Hey Anton, you better add me on Facebook because I added you.
This is what you need to do. Your camera, save your battery power a little bit. And you need to convince the girls, no, don't put a camera.
You said save your